welcome back to my channel. Say hi guys.
Hello.
Momo, say hi guys. So आज है वीकेंड और वेदर बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है यहाँ पे. It's 15 degrees. 15 डिग्रीज यहाँ पे एंड वेरी गुड वेदर, बहुत प्लेजेंट है. एंड हम अभी बाहर निकले हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू वॉलमार्ट to do some grocery. So I will show you what all is available in Walmart. Everything is available in Walmart at very good price. मैंने अभी realize किया कि I have never made any proper video on Walmart except for one, जो कि मैंने क्रिसमस के टाइम में जो क्लियरेंस सेल था वॉलमार्ट में उसका वीडियो लिया था. बट टुडे आई थॉट कि मैं जब जा ही रही हूँ ग्रोसरी करने तो आई make a video. You can hear my daughter in the background, Tiana. So let's take you to Walmart and see कि क्या क्या available है, हम क्या उठा रहे हैं. We'll probably do some green grocery and some essential items जो कि हमें चाहिए for the week. We have to do weekly groceries here in Canada. तो एक बॉल पार्क फिगर में दे दूँगी कि कितना हमारा खर्चा होता है for a family of 4. So let's take you to Walmart. So guys, we are here in Walmart and I'm with Tiana and we are wearing a mask. So I needed to buy some cosmetics for myself. I think I would be, this is the cosmetic section. Waterproof eyeliner.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone. 'Cause you never show.
These are guys, these are all lash extension eyelashes. I have never tried pop eyelashes, but I think I will now. मैग्नेटिक eyelashes ट्राई करते हैं.
I just wanna be happy. Happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without.
So guys, as you can see that we are at Walmart. So मुझे थोड़े कॉस्मेटिक्स लेने थे जो मैं ले चुकी हूँ. And I wanted to get a good BB cream for myself, which I'm really literally very confused as to what to get. I'm spoiled for choices. इतना कुछ है यहाँ पे, आप देख ही सकते हैं. इसके प्रीवियस क्लिप में मैंने दिखाया था. You can see the different brands that are available here. मिक्स का ले लेते हैं. सो गाइज़, वी आर डन शॉपिंग एट वॉलमार्ट. मैं घर में जाके दिखा दूँगी कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है वॉलमार्ट से. हमने थोड़ी बेसिक चीज़ें ही ली हैं जो कि ख़त्म हो चुकी थी. और आप एक अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कितना खर्चा होने वाला है. पर वीक होता है ये हमारा खर्चा और फैमिली ऑफ 4. इसमें मेरे कॉस्मेटिक्स भी हैं विच इज़ नॉन रिकरिंग एक्सपेंस. And we have to go to a housewarming party today, so We need to buy something for the guests. Actually, we would be the guests. Sorry. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ प्लांट खरीद के दूँ. सी तो अभी हम बिलिंग काउंटर पे जा रहे हैं. हस्बैंड को मैंने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया था कि क्या क्या ख़रीदना है उनको, एंड ही हैज़ ऑलरेडी बॉट सो मच. वेयर आर वी गोइंग? So guys, we are done with shopping. We are done with shopping.
Thank you for the wine.
Yes, it's a lily. So this is a very unique thing. This is the self-checkout counter here. So you can see that there is no person here, and we are checking in the items that we took. और हम automatically सब. And I'm doing something right.
Keep that part away.
So this is very good system, time saving. So सारा हमको क्यू में खड़े होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं हो रही है, and we are just doing the self checkout. So guys, here we are done with our Walmart shopping, and I just
We got us something.
and they got something. They are very happy.
Chocolate. I'm opening it.
Okay. No, but you have to sanitize your hands before you eat that.
We need to know with only my feet.
No, you cannot eat with your face, with your mouth. We have to wait, okay, for daddy. So guys, we are done shopping here at Walmart, and I was feeling very hungry because I didn't have lunch properly. So the hubs went, and he is getting a Mac chicken burger for me. I think a junior chicken burger. सिर्फ $2 का burger है वो, and a cold coffee, and the kids will have fries. So I'm waiting here. वो lock करके चला गया है कार को, and we cannot get inside. Babies.
Can you sanitize
So I don't have the sanitizer, na Baba. It's inside. So today I just walked you through the makeup aisle in Walmart. I really like the makeup aisle. They have really good brands there. Baby, it's not cold, baby. It's 15 degrees. Mummy is also not wearing a jacket. Only Bono is wearing a jacket.
I want to wear a jacket.
So guys, once I go home, I will show you what all we bought. My makeup cost here was $60, and the rest of it is grocery. There were very good deals here in Walmart. Bread में हमें बहुत अच्छा deal मिला है. So once I go back home, I will make a haul video of what I got, and the makeup haul video I will make a little later. So अभी हम घर वापस जा रहे हैं, and चलिए. I'll shoot the latter part of this video after a while. When you have kids, man, you cannot even talk properly. They'll just interfere. So guys, we are back home from Walmart, and this is like a mini haul. I can show you what all we got here. This is like a mini haul, and this will last us for half a week or so. Half a week or so, yes. So for a family of 4, it would be this, or for all this we paid around $155. Amongst all this is my makeup ka saman, my beauty care, which is a non-recurring expense, and for that we paid around $55. So for the rest of it, the ballpark amount would be $100. And these are the items that we got. I got this in clearance. This item I got in clearance. This is a shampoo for the kids, and this is just for $1. There were many other items in clearance, but I did not have a need for those. So this is something which I got for the kids, a shampoo. 4 shampoos like this I got for the kids.
We got this. and I got 12 free.
Then I got this. This is a pack of 12 juice.
Free.
Yeah.
What?
Is there a chocolate left or you?
And daddy is there looking for chocolates.
Good job.
Bono, will you share? No?
Kian didn't share anything with me.
Bono?
I'll share it with you after I'm done.
After you're done, you're already.
So I'll show you what all I got in some time.
One small bite.
So guys, मैं ऊपर आ गई थी थोड़े टाइम के लिए अपना YouTube का जो वीडियो है वो एडिट करने के लिए. So as I said that I would be more regular in posting videos. Maybe every alternate day, every other day I'll try to post very different kind of videos like vlogs or some informational videos. कुछ ना कुछ मैं Canada related post करती ही रहूँगी, so that you guys have an idea as to what can you expect if you are coming from India or any other country as a new immigrant. मैं तो अभी ओल्ड इमिग्रेंट हो गई हूँ, बट आई थिंक इफ़ आई शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंसेस विच आई हैव हैड ओवर द ईयर्स इट विल बेनिफिट यू इन सम मैनर और द अदर. सो अभी थोड़ी ही देर में हमें अपने फ्रेंड के घर जाना है. सो विल बी गोइंग देयर फॉर देयर. उन्होंने नया घर लिया है तो अभी देखने जाना है कि क्या है नहीं है. एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ गुड टाइम होपफुली. सो मैं नीचे जाके अभी आपसे अपना हॉल वीडियो शेयर करती हूँ. मेरा मस्कारा थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया है. वेरी सून आई विल शेयर माई मेकअप हॉल विथ यू. यहाँ पे मैंने एक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेके रखा है इप्सी करके. दैट इज़ अ ब्यूटी सब्सक्रिप्शन, वेरी मिनिमल पे. आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट पेइंग अराउंड $14 per month, including shipping charges. This Ipsy subscription, makeup subscription, it comes from the US and it is like it's a plethora of makeup items from all different types of brands. जैसे Sephora होता है, राइट? Sephora के तो खुद के भी products हैं Sephora brand के, but it houses a lot of other products too. तो वैसे ही है Ipsy. It's just that I keep getting a beauty bag every month. So soon I would be sharing the haul for the month of January, February and March. तो stay tuned. Also अभी हम नीचे चलते हैं और मैं अपना जो ग्रॉसरी हॉल है, ये आधे वीक का ग्रॉसरी हॉल है, वो मैं आपसे शेयर कर लेती हूँ. हमने टोटल $100 स्पेंड किए हैं और ये $100 रेकरिंग है. तो मोटा मोटी इट वुड बी अराउंड $800 फॉर 4 पीपल, राइट? बिकॉज मेरा बेटा स्कूल जाता है तो मुझे टिफ़िन वगैरह सब एवरीडे बेसिस पे पैक करके देना होता है उसे. सो फूड का जो खर्चा है दैट इज़ रेकरिंग इन नेचर. ग्रॉसरी का जो खर्चा है, तो मैं आपको नीचे जाके अभी दिखाती हूँ कि हमने क्या क्या लिया है वॉलमार्ट से. So hi there, hi guys. I thought that I would shoot a haul video of what exactly we bought from Walmart. So this is like a half week grocery that we did. We have plans to go to Costco. हमें आज जाना था, but there was a huge lineup in Costco and वहाँ पे अगर हम खड़े रहते तो we would have been there for say a minimum of 1 hour of lineup. इन कॉस्को आज वीकेंड है, वेदर अच्छा है, सो मे बी मैनी पीपल थॉट कि चलो कॉस्को चलते हैं. अभी तो डूइंग ग्रॉसरी, गोइंग आउट फॉर ग्रॉसरी इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक अ बिग डील नाउअडेज. So without much ado, let me start my haul video here. So this is something that my kid likes a lot. This is a ready-made butterscotch pudding which I got from Walmart. Walmart का ही brand है, Great Value, and they have amazing deals on Great Value. They are probably the cheapest in their category. Great Value things are very cheap and they are of good quality, decent quality. I got these strawberry yogurt. This is flavored yogurt but in liquid form. This I got. अब मैं ये सारी चीज़ें अपने बेटे को टिफ़िन में देती हूँ. Then I got the general eggs. I got one crate of eggs. This is like 12 eggs. Then 1 pack of milk. This is what we get for the kids. This is 2% fat. I usually do not get skim milk because बच्चों को skim milk नहीं देते हैं, and फिर हम अपने लिए अलग से कुछ milk खरीदते नहीं हैं. Then I got this. This is the Laughing Cow cheese cubes हैं ये, and these are amazing to taste. इसके काफ़ी सारे flavors आते हैं, but this I got the original flavor. Then I got juice boxes for Kian. This is orange juice, one of his favorite. Last time मैंने peach और mango लिया था तो he did not like it. Another crate for Kian. This is what? I think this is orange and some kind of, this is mixed fruit. He likes mixed fruit too, तो हमने ये भी लिया है. Then I bought yogurt. Dahi as in कितना 3 bottles of these I got. Then I got the general गाजर, फिर bitter gourds, करेला. ब्रेड पे डील चल रहा है, वाइट ब्रेड पे डील चल रहा है. आई नो दिस इज़ ग्लूटेन बट क्या करें, अच्छा लगता है. I think I'll also soon start my exercise routine. नीचे है मेरे घर के बेसमेंट में है एक्सरसाइज करने का सारा सामान, but I'm so tied up with everything that I cannot find time to do exercise, time to take care of my own self. But anyways, this I got 3 of these because deal चल रहा था इन पे, 3 लेने से कुछ डिस्काउंट मिला. Then I got cucumbers, 2 of these. I also got tomato. ये सारी चीज़ें तो लगती रहती हैं. And this is just half a week worth of grocery. और भी बाकी है. And we are planning to do everything else from Costco when we go there on Monday. These are the strawberries that I give Kian for his tiffin in school. He loves strawberries, so we got a box of strawberries. And then we got mushrooms. And of course bananas. The kids love bananas. Also मेरे मेकअप का सामान मैंने लिया है थोड़ा बहुत. I wanted these blending sponges, so I got these. This is from the brand Equate, and this is the cheapest brand there in Walmart. So Equate brand की जो सारी चीज़ें होती है वो सबसे सस्ती होती है. आप अगर आ रहे हो कनाडा और अगर आप वॉलमार्ट में शॉपिंग करने जाते हो तो लुक आउट फॉर द ब्रांड Equate for all your cosmetics. This is a very good brand and it's very very affordable. Then इस पे डील चल रहा था. ये L'Oreal का वॉल्यूमिनस ओरिजिनल मस्कारा है. This I got for $5.97. So this was the cheapest there, and they have a deal on this. So you have to keep an eye out as to कि क्या deals हैं Walmart में when you go there. Every week there is a new deal. So you can save a lot of money in Walmart. I think that it's very very pocket friendly. Then I needed a BB cream for the longest time, तो मैंने Rimmel का BB cream लिया है. This is somewhere around $15, 30 ml का है. थोड़ा सा pricey है, but I think it's worth it. मैं everyday makeup के लिए अपने MAC के cosmetics use नहीं करना चाहती because MAC is very very expensive. Then I got this kajal pencil, this kohl pencil. It's a pencil eyeliner और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि smudge नहीं हो आपका काजल, उसके लिए they have a small brush here. So this is a deal. Also I got a night cream for myself, the Nivea night cream. I got this for $7 or something. And last but not the least, I got this infusion drops. This is something different and I have never tried it before. It says that it's max glow and it will make your skin radiant. I'll try this and I'll give you a review of this very soon. So जो मेरे मेकअप की चीज़ें हैं, these are the non-recurring expenses, but जो ये बाकी सारी चीज़ें हैं, these are the recurring expenses that we have every month. So for grocery, for a family of 4, you would need to spend, if you are living in Toronto GTA, you would need to spend somewhere around $800 for 4 people. Grocery, and maximum number of times because we make things at home. It's only during the weekends, or weekend maybe सिर्फ only one day is such a day when we either a Saturday or a Sunday is one day. We order takeout or we order from outside or we go and take something. We go and buy something from outside and eat. So most of the time we are making food at home. Either me, you have seen my husband cooking many times. I also cook, but you must not have seen so many videos of me cooking. Yeah, for a family of 4, if you are moving to Toronto GTA, most probably you would be moving to Toronto GTA if you are immigrating to Canada from India, because many people prefer to move to Toronto. You would be spending somewhere around $800 to $1,000 on grocery if you have a family of 4, like 2 adults and 2 kids. My kids are very small. They are 4 and 2 years old, 4 and 2.5 years old. Yeah. So इसी के साथ I would like to end my vlog here. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. And जो लोग नए आए हैं इस चैनल पे sorry जो लोग नए आए हैं इस चैनल पे, प्लीज़ सपोर्ट माई चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. इट्स Ati Canada Vlogs. I keep posting videos every alternate day about Canada, anything and everything related to Canada, my personal experience as a first generation immigrant in Canada. If you have any queries, I will answer those queries right away. Just mention in the comments what you're looking out for, and if you're planning to come to Canada, what are the things that you require to do. I would soon be making a video on all those topics, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and all of you all have a very nice day. Bye, see you soon.